어쩜 이렇게 시간이 안 가는지 정말 버스 안에서 고잉 이불 속에서 고잉은 언제나 너에게 고잉.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Dita Septiana. You can call me Dita. I'm from Management Class 22B. I will developing material about the main issue in the digital environment. Key issues in the digital environment. The micro and macro environment. Macro environment. Element on site of the organization that indirectly influence its operation. Microenvironment. Internal factors that directly influence the organization such as supplier, competitors, intermediaries, and customers. Social factor. Every country has people with different attitudes and opinions to certain ideas. Product and service and communication. Some of the key elements include 1. Culture, demographics such as age and gender, social lifestyle, domestic structure, influence, religions. A good example of is the change is customer buying behavior because of internet usage. Legal and ethical factor. Legislative change and usually affect the business environment. For example, it took Spotify a number of years to launch in Canada because of the country's loyalty and copyright laws. Some of the key legal factors to consider are data protection and privacy law, particularly regarding email, which have been replaced by General Data Protection Regular, implemented 25. May Disability and Discrimination Law, Brand and Trademark Protection, Intellectual Property Rights, and Contract Law. Economic factor. This relates to the element of an economy and this condition. Example include market growth and employment, inflation rate, interest rates, monetary fiscal policy, and foreign exchange rates. A good example from an e-commerce standpoint is the area of dynamic pricing. This is where a transaction and e-commerce site use algorithms to change the price of its product and service based on different market conditions such as competitor pricing, supply, and demand, spending habits, time of day, location, and operating system. Political factor. An organization needs to consider the political situation of a country and the world in relation to that country. Areas to consider include government leadership, policies, tax law, and internet governance. From a digital marketing perspective, its organization of operating in a global marketplace and using social media to contact and communicate with its customers. It is worth understanding which countries block Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube. Technology factor. New technology is changing the way that people and businesses do things, from connecting with others to purchasing products and services. Improvement of the hardware and software are key factors in this change. Next factor affecting e-commerce buying behavior. 1. Credit and information being stolen. Unfortunately, there has been a huge increase in the cybercrime recently, according to Konechi. In the UK, millions was stolen by hackers and criminals via the internet in one way to help provide shoppers with confidence in the service and protect against cybercrime is to use email authentically to prevent fraud and message and encrypting all part of website. 2. Fake online stores. Some people feel anxious purchasing from a virtual company that does to have a physical address or location, so their purchase may not exist. 3. Information will be sold. A common pair is that once information is given for an online purchase, the customer will get bombarded with solicitation, email, catalogs, and offer from third parties. On why to help overcome this fear to provide a clear privacy policy and give customers the option to choose what information they would like to receive and how often they want to receive it. 4. Unsure what the product is really like. Many shoppers rely on the sensory aspect of shopping, and because they can't feel, touch, or often smell the product, they worry and they are going to make the wrong. 5. Lost order. Some online shoppers worry that their order will get lost or will not arrive in time. More and more online retailers are offering different shipping options and order tracking to help customers feel more in control of this element of their shopping experience. Need help from a salesperson. Generally, the idea of buying online is one-sided, and some people like the help of a knowledgeable salesperson to discuss their needs. Cybersecurity and data privacy. 1. Securing digital access. Protecting sensitive information and critical infrastructure from cyber threats is a paramount concern. 2. Privacy regulation. Compliance with data privacy law and regulation is crucial to maintain customer trust. 3. User awareness. Educating individuals on best practices for personal data protection is essential. Inclusion and digital divide. Bridging the gap. Ensuring equitable access to digital technologies and the internet for all communities is a key priority. Accessibility challenge. Addressing the unique needs of individuals with disability in the digital realm is crucial. Digital literacy program. Investing in educational initiative to enhance digital skills and competencies is essential. Representative on the stage. Promoting diversity and inclusion in the technology industry is vital for driving innovation. Ethical use of technology. Privacy protection. Ensuring the responsible collection and use of personal data is a critical concern. Addressing algorithmic bias. Mitigating an impact of biases embedded and logarithm is essential for fair and equitable outcomes. Transparency in AI. Promoting transparency and accountability in the development and deployment of AI systems is crucial. sustainable stage and practices. Implementing environmentally responsible practice in the tech industry is crucial for a sustainable future. Sustainable digital practice. Energy efficiency. Optimizing energy consumption and digital infrastructure and devices is essential for environmental sustainable. 2. Circular economy. Promoting the reuse, repeat, and responsible disposal of digital technologies is crucial in the reduce waste. Renewable energy. Transitioning to renewable energy sources to power digital system and survives is a key priority. Future trends and implication. 1. Internet of Things. The proliferation of connected devices will transform the way we interact with the digital world. 2. Metaverse and virtual reality. Immersive digital experience will redefine how we work and engage with one another. 3. Quantum computing. Breakthroughs in quantum technology will unlock a possibility for data processing and scientific discovery. 4. Artificial intelligence. The advancement of AI will revolutionize various industries and reshape and future of work. Maybe that's all I can say. I say thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.